Alright, well, this is T-Mike out on Tuneup Lake making another video today. Today's video is going to be on a lake test run on a 1968 9.5 horsepower Evinrude, restored number 155 for Dave. Dave's from Toledo, Ohio, and he brought me this motor, family motor, grandfather's motor. I've completely restored her. She's a beaut. I mean, she looks fantastic. So I'm gonna take her out on the lake, give her a test run. Here's a look inside the hood. I mean, she is spectacular. Runs great in the barrel, should run great out on the lake. Let's take her for a spin. Everybody's ready. Here we go. Yes, sir. She's a runner. Been out here running her 9.5 Evinrude. Pushes my my John boat 17 miles an hour. 19 with the wind, 14 against the wind, averaging about 17 miles an hour. That's top end for a 9.5. Beautiful. A little windy out here, but she's a runner. Dave, you ought to love her. I'm going to take her for a spin now. If everybody's ready, here we go. Yes, sir. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Got another one to do for Dave, a 5 horsepower Johnson. I'm gonna get to working on that one. This one is done, Dave. I'm out here fishing and I caught me a good one. That's a 4.5 pound largemouth bass. Man, between working on my motors, making videos, talking to all my friends out there in the vintage outboard motor world, and fishing, I'm living the good life. And I just want to live it till I die. See y'all next video.